This is the trail people want.
Yeah, this is the main trail right here. And there's mud. We're gonna go this trail. Gotta look for the snakes. Sneaky snake. So maybe we should have brought the hiking poles?
Well, I asked you what we were going to be doing.
I said an easy trail. And now we got to go up there. Still back there. Woo! We're almost there. One more flight. Okay, be careful here. A little winded. We're really not that far out. We'll go over there somewhere. Ah! Hey, look, little froggy. Gotcha. Cactus. I think we'll find somewhere down here by the creek. Something with a good sitting tree.
I can eat my lunch.
Yeah, you getting hungry?
Yeah, starting to.
Okay. It levels out here.
Yeah, it's 3 o'clock.
Oh, it's time to eat. All right. Make sure there's no damn snakes under there. Well, that wasn't much better. Now we get. Yeah, if I can get it right in the center. That's close. Oh, that's slick. That's not bad. All right, see what I did? Yep, there you go. Always have the pole down before you make your next move and balance yourself out. There you go. That rock right there. Almost. Good job. Right, now we just got to go this way. This won't be so bad. Little mud there.
Me and Mud don't go out.
No. But this will be a lot easier. There you got it. Okay. Yeah, this tree looks pretty good. Yeah. Oh, wow. We can sit here. Or down there. Let me drop the pack and shoot some bug juice. What do you think? This really is the first tree. You like this tree? Okay. That's poison ivy there. Watch out for that. So we're going through the ingredients of the Vienna sausage, which I grew up on. And it's got mechanically separated chicken in it. What the hell does that mean? Oh well. Still gonna eat it. Ooh, that tree is angry. Well, that's not a good tree to be under. Oh well. Well, this is not good.
There you go.
Yeah, we can always do a water crossing.
No, I'm gonna sit on my butt and go down.
Yeah, me too. Very slowly. That's because of all the flooding.
How'd they get the dogs down there?
Probably picked them up. This thing's been here for freaking forever. Well, yeah, the floods washed it right away. Can't even talk. Do you want the hiking staff? Remember the mud over here?
Nope.
You want the hiking staff?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm already muddy.
Okay. Watch that rock. Oh. Let me go this way. You going on that side again? Okay. You know there's a pricklies, right?
Yeah.
You're on one. You're hung up on one. There you go. Did it get you?
Nope.
Okay. So what you're saying is I shouldn't hike in yoga pants.
Do not hike in yoga pants.
But I can hike in my long underwear.
I'm not saying you should hike in long underwear. I'm saying that's about how it feels.
Can I hike naked?
Whatever you feel, just don't do it in public.
You know where you are now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I do.
Yep.
I know where we were almost the whole time back.
Okay. So how far did we hike?
All right.
Gonna need to get some new boots. What does it say?
I don't know.
I didn't count your steps on there?
Yeah. It says 7,608 steps today, but I don't know how many for this walk.
Well, you probably didn't walk.
3.1 miles.
So it's let's call it 3 miles. That's good. Say 3 miles. Not bad for a spur of the moment outing.